First, you should insert your or create your HTML what? HTML structure. Okay. So our HTML structure is HTML head, meta, title, head, body and HTML. So we will discuss chapter 8. Yes. So you can see body tag. Yes. So body tag, we will discuss body tag. Okay. We have already used body tag attribute. Okay. So body tag background. Why we use background attribute in our body tag? So when you insert some images in your background web pages, then you should use background attribute. Okay. Suppose why I use one.jpg, because my image name is one. You can see my image name is one. Yes, and my image properties is .jpg. Okay, that's why I wrote .jpg. Okay, so if you want to change your image name, then you should write your image name properly. Okay, so save it, and I have to open again in my browser. You can see image, one image inserted in my web page background. Yes. Okay. Suppose if you want to change your background color, then you should use BG color. BG color, that means background color. Okay, understood? So background color, suppose I want to insert background color is suppose yellow. Okay. Yellow, because I have already used text color is yellow. Okay, so silver or maroon or white, black, olive, green suppose. Okay, GRW and green. Okay, so save it and open in your browser. Okay, so now you can see my background color is now green, text color is yellow. So if you change your text color, then you should change your color name. Okay, so blue suppose. Okay, BLUE. Okay, so save it. Refresh your browser. You can see my text color is now blue and background color is green. Okay, and left margin and top margin. You can see I have already used two attributes in my body tag. Top margin. Suppose I want to change top margin is 700. So refresh it. You can see top margin. Yeah. So my text is now button in my web page. So I want to change up to 30. Okay. Refresh your page. You can see now text is now top margin up to 30. And left margin is 800. Okay. So 500. Suppose save it. Refresh it. You can see my text is now center align. Okay. So you can see some color. Page number is 85. Chapter 8. Some color is black, white, red, and head color. That means head code is needed when you use CSS. Okay, CSS means style sheet. Okay, when you create some style on your web page, then you should use color hash code in your CSS. Okay, so we have used color name in our web page. HTML document. Okay, so you can also use hash code. Okay, so suppose blue color hex code is as 000 FF. Okay, so you can see as 00040 FF. Save it and refresh it. Yeah, okay. You can also hash code. Okay, suppose yellow color, then yellow color hash code is as 4F 00. Save it and refresh it. You can see now my text color is yellow. Okay. Everyone should remember this chart, color chart. Okay. Color name is suppose black, then hex code is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. Okay. And RGB color is 0, 0, 0. Okay. So now you can see page number 86. Line break tag. Line break tag. When you break your text, you should use break tag. That means BR tag. BR tag. Okay. So I have to use class 7 after break and HTML. Okay. So now you can see without break tag, you can see without break, you can see no break in my text in web page. Okay. If you want to break your text, then you should use one tag. This tag name is BR. Okay. Save it. Refresh your page. You can see now class 7 and after break my text HTML text. Okay. Same process on paragraph text. Just use P tag. Okay. P tag. Save it and refresh it. You can see paragraph. We know paragraph means what? Sorry, P tag means what? Paragraph means two line break. When you use BR tag, then one line break in your text, and when you use the P tag, then you can see two line break in your workspace. Okay. Next, you can see page number 87, heading text. I have already used heading text. Headline tag. Okay, you can also use call it heading tag or headline tag. So the heading tag is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 up to H6. H1 is big, H2 is small, H3 is small, H4 is small, H5 is small, and H6 is very small. Okay. I have already used H1 tag. When you use H1 tag in our HTML document, you show auto default BTEC already in auto default BTEC. Auto default insert BTEC. BTEC that means bold in your text. Okay. Heading tag. Okay. So you should remember that H1 tag is most biggest, 2 is small, 3 is small, 4 is small, H5 is small, and H6 is very small. Okay. H2, H3, H4, H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 6. Okay. Next, you can see horizontal rule. HR tag. Horizontal rule is a same type of underline. Okay. So I am to use horizontal line. HR tag. HR tag. So save it and refresh our page. You can see these on horizontal line here. Yes or no? You can see in class 7. Horizontal line insert in my page when I use HR tag. So some attribute of HR tag is align, white, align, no set, and color. Suppose if you want to change your horizontal color, then you should use one attribute, color. Color is suppose red. Suppose. Okay, save it. I refresh your page. You can see my horizontal color is now red. Okay. And you can also change your horizontal alignment. Suppose align, ALIGI, align. Align suppose center. Save it. Refresh your page. Refresh your page. You can see now align. Align is suppose C and C are. Yes, all okay. Yes, align is now center. And when you use white, WY white equal to suppose 400. Okay. Yes, now 400. And size is suppose up to 60. It's called attribute. Yes. So now you can see my horizontal line is size is 60. Yes. And you can also change your horizontal attribute value. That means size value. Suppose 40. I refresh it. You can see now horizontal size is 40. Okay. Okay, everyone. So now you can see font tag. Font tag is important. Okay. If you want to change your particular text color, then you should use font tag, and particular text size, then you should use font tag. Okay. So now I have already used text color is yellow. Okay. So now I want to change HTML text color blue. Okay. So that how can you use it? Just use font tag. FONT font color COLOR color. Color is suppose blue. Close it and save. Refresh it. You can see only HTML text is color is blue. Why? Because I have already used font color. Yes, font tag, and attribute font tag attribute is color. So if you want to change your text size, then you should use size. Size is suppose 7. Save it. Refresh it. You can see now my text size is now 7. Only this text is changing. Why? Because I have already used font tag in my text. Okay. And you can also use face. Face means text themes. Okay. Times New Roman. Suppose Times New Roman. Save it and refresh it. Text color is no and okay. It's called face. Okay, face means text themes. Okay. I hope everyone understood. Font tag. Why you use font tag? So when you use particular text, when you change your particular text color and particular text size, then you should use font tag. Okay. So in my case, you can see I have already used font color before HTML text. Yes. Font tag color is blue and size is 7. So this text only working. Yes. This text only change. Yes. Text color is blue and size is 7. But other text, you can see this text we have already used yellow color. Yes. So this text is no change. Okay. Now we can see center text. When you use center in your text, then you should use center text. Okay. Just use it center text. CEN center text. Save it. Now you can see my text. Alarm is now center here because I have already used center text in my text here. So that's why when you open your browser, you can see your text is now center aligned. Okay. So you can see body italic and underline text. Body text, that means sorry, bold text. Bold text, that means you can bold your text. That means H1 who have already used it. I text. So now I am use I text. I tag means italic. You can see underline. Save it. You can see text now underline here. I hope everyone understood. B tag. B tag means hold your text. Yes. Okay. So I tag it helps to make the text appear in the italic font, and you take underline text in the underline form. Okay, underline that text. Okay, when you use you text, then you can see on your page underline text. Okay, and B means bold your text. Okay, I hope everyone understood. And chapter 8 is over. Okay, anyone have any doubt, then tell me. I tag, U tag, and B tag is called container tag. Why container tag? Because we use opening tag and closing tag in our HTML document. That's why we call container tag. And HR tag is called empty tag. Why? Because we use only opening tag, no need to closing tag. That's why we call empty tag. Okay? Everyone understood? So next class, I will give this question answer. Okay? Chapter 8 question answer. Okay? I don't have any doubt, then tell me. I have no doubt. Okay? So now bye bye everyone. Take care.